They say the universe hides its deepest truths in the places we least expect. And among all the planets circling our sun, none has fascinated humanity like Mars, the red planet. From ancient civilizations who called it the god of war, to modern space agencies spending billions to uncover its secrets, Mars has always been more than just another world. But here's the chilling question. If Mars is truly just a barren rock, then why all the secrecy? Why all the obsession? And why all the silence? Have you ever wondered why Mars has always been the center of mystery, speculation, and countless conspiracy theories? Why this one red planet, orbiting quietly beside us, receives billions of dollars in research, secret missions, and classified files? NASA tells us stories, some fascinating, some terrifying, but the real question is, what are they not telling us? For decades, images from Mars have been carefully released. Most look empty, lifeless, just red rocks and dust. But here's the part they don't emphasize. Many of those photos are cropped, blurred, or strangely edited before they ever reach the public. Why? What could be hiding in the parts we're not allowed to see? Let's go back in time. In 1976, the Viking 1 orbiter sent back a picture that stunned the world, a massive face card into the Martian surface, staring straight up into the sky. At first, NASA called it a trick of light and shadow. Years later, they rephotographed it and again insisted it was just a natural rock formation. But ask yourself, why was this image one of the few that sparked worldwide panic and endless attempts to cover it up? If it's nothing but rock, why the secrecy? And then there's water. NASA kept denying it for years, saying Mars was bone dry, a dead world. Yet in 2015, suddenly, they admitted liquid water exists beneath its surface. Think about that. If they knew earlier, why wait decades to reveal it? Could it be because water means habitability, and habitability means life? Life that might already be there. Even today, strange anomalies are quietly hidden in NASA's archives. Structures that look like pyramids, broken walls, even metallic glints that resemble machinery. Scientists dismiss them as illusions. But doesn't it sound familiar? Just like the ancient ruins here on Earth, dismissed for centuries until proven real. Could Mars be holding ruins of a civilization that came before us? Some researchers claim they've spotted lights flickering on the Martian surface in rover images. Others point to unusual radiation spikes recorded by instrument, signals that don't match natural patterns. Could these be signs of underground activity, tunnels perhaps, or even energy sources we've never been told about? And then there's the atmosphere. NASA insists it's too thin for life as we know it. Yet curious methane spikes have been detected again and again. On Earth, methane almost always points to biology, life. So, if not life, then what? And why is this data barely spoken about in the mainstream? And here's a chilling thought. Why are we rushing so hard to colonize Mars? SpaceX, NASA, every private company, they all want a piece of this planet. Is it really about exploration? Or is it about recovering something left behind, something we were never supposed to know about? Every secret has a reason. Every silence hides a story. And Mars might just be the greatest story never told. So the question is, when the truth finally comes out, will it be the discovery of alien life, or the shocking realization that Mars was once another Earth? Maybe Mars is more than just a destination for astronauts and rovers. Maybe it's a mirror showing us fragments of a past we've forgotten, or warning us of a future we may face. Could Mars have once been a thriving planet, rich with oceans and civilizations, only to fall into silence? And if so, are we heading down the same path here on Earth? The truth, it seems, is still locked away, buried in NASA's files, hidden in blurred images and whispered in strange anomalies. One day, the story of Mars will be revealed. Until then, we can only wonder if the red planet waiting for us to discover its secrets, or to remember them,